is Driving with Myles. I'm a state certified instructor. We're going to talk about driving in hazardous conditions. I do have both hands on the wheel, GoPro on the windshield, so I'm just taking my time. The speed limit here is 70, but I'm driving at 40 miles an hour. You want to drive a speed that is safe. Now here's the situation. This person in this Suburban is going about 60. They're going to have to eventually cut me off or hit the brakes really hard. So this is called anticipation, and you won't understand this until you actually get out here and drive. So I'm at about 45 miles an hour. They slow down because they realize the conditions are very dangerous. This is a great teachable moment for all drivers. See, there they go. So a lot of times when people have larger vehicles in ice and snow, take it slow. You want to take it slow. You want to be patient. If you're in a hurry, you're going to end up spitting out, hitting the wall, going into the ditch, or causing an accident. So I'm actually at 40 miles an hour now. So if you look at all the other cars around me, they're at 40 miles an hour. And you want to continue making smooth movements. You want to look around. Everyone's kind of gripping the wheel a little bit tight. You want to try to stay relaxed. You want to take your time. You want to make sure you have adequate fuel. I'm nice and smooth. I'm in the middle lane. Again, I'm not overly turning the steering wheel, because if I do, I'll be in the ditch. This Honda is basically out of the lane, so I'm trying not to get hit by them. I'm trying not to panic also. So when you're driving like this, it's usually the other driver that causes some serious injury, accident. So I'm just being nice and smooth, being patient, and you just have to plan ahead. You need to tell whoever you're heading to, hey, there's a snowstorm. I'm running late. I'm driving slower. I'm taking my time. No one's going to get mad at you if you're driving 15 to 10 under the limit, because if you drive at the speed limit, which is 70, you're going to spin out. You're going to lose control. So I'm nice and smooth. I'm being nice and chilled. And this can cause some anxiety a little bit, but you just want to be patient. There's another driver to my left going too fast for the conditions on the road. They cause accidents. Be in the middle lane, be in the right lane, be in the smooth lane. Learn from this. If you felt this brought you value, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to drive, because I'm a state certified instructor, subscribe to my channel, Driving with Myles. Thank you.